we have seen the technical reforms. Let's move on to the land reforms. And in the land reform, the first reform is abolition of intermediaries. That is, the zamindars who earlier occupied a very important position in the Indian agriculture and who were responsible for collecting the land revenue and who extracted the Indian farmer has been reduced to merely nothing. That is, all those people who acted as middlemen between the government and the farmer, that has been abolished. Now, the farmer pays directly to the government, which means that the extraction is not there and the farmer is giving just the required reform rent to the government. The next feature is regulation of the rent. Earlier, there was no system of actually having the fixed rental system. It used to differ from place to place, from time to time and from person to person. But now the government has ensured that there is a fixed regulation of rent which is 1/3. The next is consolidation of land holdings. As we have seen in the features of the Indian agriculture, that in India the farms are small and scattered. But the government is now using such policies that the land becomes consolidated. That is, it comes to one place. So, by the methods of exchanging the farm with one person to another with the help of the government has given a great impetus to the Indian farmer. Next is ceiling on land holdings. Earlier, there were farmers who had acres and acres of land and there were farmers who hardly had anything. So, the government of India resorted to a policy which is called as ceiling on land holdings. That is, a number has been fixed, that is, you cannot have more than that land, and the excessive land, if at all is there, that is redistributed amongst the landless laborers or the farmers. The next feature is cooperative farming. The Indian government has also encouraged cooperative farming in India because by the cooperative farming there is lesser chance of getting exploited. By this, the Indian farmer stands united and thus he gains because of this cooperation, because of this unity, and can also bargain in the market because of their collective strength.